How to use Pinterest app for beginners. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Pinterest app as a beginner. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the App Store iPhone or Google Play Store Android and search for Pinterest. Tap Download and wait for the app to install. Once installed, open the app and sign in or create a new account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Add a profile picture, bio, and username to personalize your account. This helps others find and follow you on Pinterest. On the home screen, you'll see different images, ideas, and inspirations called pins. Use the search bar at the top to look for specific topics like home decor, fashion, recipes, or DIY projects. Tap on a pin to view details, read descriptions, or visit the source website. When you find a pin you like, tap Save to add it to one of your boards. You can follow creators, brands, or topics that interest you. Go to the search bar, type in a topic, and tap Follow to see more related pins in your feed. Tap the plus button on your profile page. Select Pin to upload an image, add a title, description, and link. Choose a board to save it to and tap Post. You can like, comment, and share pins with others. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.